Handling noisy data. So basically, handling noisy data involves techniques and strategies to manage inaccuracies, errors, or inconsistencies in datasets that can degrade machine learning model performance. So noise can come from mislabeled samples, sensor errors, or data corruption. Methods to handle noisy data includes data cleaning, robust loss functions, noise robust training algorithms, and techniques like label smoothing or outlier detection. So technically, these approaches help model learn meaningful patterns despite imperfect data, improving generalization and stability. From the business perspective, effectively handling noisy data reduces costly mistakes, enhances model reliability, and ensures better decision making, especially in critical domains like healthcare, finance, and autonomous systems. Thank you.